Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has inaugurated 63 infrastructure projects constructed by the Border Roads Organisation during his 3-day visit to the eastern Ladakh sector. He also visited various key formations and high-altitude bases in the region, and carried out a comprehensive review of India's military preparedness along the line of actual control, and also interacted with 300 armed forces veterans. India has issued a NOTAM warning for the launch of an experimental flight vehicle over the Bay of Bengal, for a range of 380 kilometers between 8 July to 11 July. There is a high chance that the warning is for the third test of the hypersonic technology demonstrator vehicle for a longer duration, but it could also turn out to be the flight demonstration of the 350 kilometers range solid-fuel ducted ramjet technology, and can also be the first test of the 350 kilometers range XRSAM, known as the Extra Long Range Surface-to-Air Missile. Top experts have said that with the test of the 2000 km range next-generation Agni Prime missile, the DRDO has also demonstrated that it is capable and ready to develop its own advanced anti-ship ballistic missile system. Apart from incorporating a number of advanced technologies that were exclusively developed for the Agni 5 program, the Agni Prime also includes a hermetically sealed tandem twin canister made of composite materials that allows easier storage of missiles and quicker salvo launches, but also makes it difficult for satellites to detect them. A notable feature of the Agni Prime is 4 delta fins for terminal maneuver, which also indicates that the maneuvering warheads can also be used in the anti-ship ballistic missile, and counter Chinese naval ships from long ranges. Pakistani and Turkish pilots have started training alongside the Rafale fighter jets of the Qatari Air Force in the ongoing international Anatolian Eagle exercise 2021 that has started on 27 June. Here are some of the latest pictures from the exercise, and this will be the first time that the Pakistani and Turkish pilots will get duel against the Rafales in a combat environment during an aerial exercise. Indian private sector firm Grene Robotics has developed the country's first autonomous drone defense drone called the Indrajaal system, and this artificial intelligence-driven unit can be integrated with all current weapon suite and infrastructure, and has the capability to autonomously protect an area of 2,000 square kilometers against threats such as UAVs, loitering munitions, and low radar cross-section targets. Amid China's growing assertiveness in the region, Indian Navy's indigenous anti-submarine corvette INS Kilian has carried out a joint military exercise with the Daegu-class frigate of the South Korean Navy in the East China Sea, and officials have said that the exercise was aimed at enhancing interoperability and facilitating the exchange of best practices between the two navies. Prime Minister Modi will announce the creation of 4 new theatre commands from the Red Fort on 15 August, and these 4 new commands will be raised and operationalized over a 2-year period, and will be fully operational by August 2023. The new commands will include the Integrated Maritime Theatre Command and the Integrated Air Defence Command, which had been earlier described as a low-hanging fruit in the radical rewiring of India's higher defence management.